Okay, welcome to part 2. In the previous video, we just finished this problem here, and we talked about how you cannot add together terms that are not exactly alike. So, I'm going to continue now down the page, but instead of giving you the picture, what we're going to do is we are going to create the picture from the math problem right here and see if we can simplify the problem. So, the directions say to draw the picture and combine the like terms. And what I want you doing is just being ready to follow directions as they come to you. So in this problem number 2, we have negative 2x plus 3 plus 5x minus 2. All right, so we're going to draw a picture now. Now I'm going to make it a little faster here. You need to draw the picture. I went ahead and drawn them on the side of the screen here. So whoops, that's actually the wrong one to start with. So let's not do that. I need a negative x. For this negative 2x, I need two negative x's. So what you need to draw are two little rectangles with a negative x inside. All right, so that's negative 2x. Here, I'll get the matching color. All right, that's negative 2x. Now it says plus 3. So I want to put plus 3 right here. Well, plus 3 would be 3 squares with just a 1 because it's positive. 1, 2, and 3. All right, now I also have 5 positive x's plus 5 positive x's. So you need to draw 5 rectangles. If I'm going too fast for you, just hit pause. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. There's 2, 3, 4, and 5. There's 5 positive x's. And then I need 2 red, negative 2 means minus 2, so I'm going to put that over here. I need 2 squares to represent negative 1. And here comes negative 2 for that. So this picture represents, again, let's look at it. We have negative 2x plus 3 plus 5x minus 2. Now I'm going to do something that you can't do, and just watch this. What we would do now is we would take the like terms, like see this and these x's, they're actually like terms. They're supposed to be the same shape, so we can combine them. Now, do you remember what happens if I put a blue and a red together? That's from the first semester. And then the negative 1 and the positive ones can come together as well. I am combining my like terms. Now, you might recall that when I do that, the 0 pairs actually cancel out. So those would cancel out, those would cancel out, and I am left with this one right here and these 3 x's right here. So what I'm left with is 3x there plus this 1 right here. And that is actually the answer to this. That is the problem simplified. Now, I know you can't do all that in your notes, so what you might do is maybe make your picture somehow show that you were able to cancel out those 0 pairs there somehow. And here's maybe an idea of what you could have done. I'll try to clean my picture up a little bit. Okay, we had those over here. These can all go away. So what I would do in your picture is just cross out like this. Like take your pencil, cross this one and this one because they cancel out. Cross this one and this one because they cancel out. And then circle what's remaining, your 3x, and then cross those two out. Of course, they're in your separate place. Cross those two out and circle what's remaining. And then write that answer, 3x plus 1, kind of like I did before I moved it there a second ago. Okay, and I'm going to erase all this out here. Okay, but that's the concept. What you did here is you added the negative 2x and the 5. Negative 2 plus 5 gave me 3. And then you added the 3 plus negative 2 and got positive 1 right there. Okay. So let's try number 3 here real quick here. If we're going to create this picture for number 3, we have a negative x So I'm going to bring in a red negative x. Then we have this negative 3 right here. That means we have 3 negative 1s right there. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Now we've got 6 x's, so draw those 6 rectangles that are positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then 7 individual pieces right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now, here's what happens. All right, I'll do this one a little more like you. I won't cheat this time. This negative x cancels with that positive x because negative and the positive, that's 0. And that's all that's left. So I have here, I'm going to put a circle around what's left. Count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5x. Now, this negative 1 and one of the blue ones will cancel. It's a 0 pair. That cancels with another one, and that cancels with another one right there. And I'm left with this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 5x plus 4. And that's my solution right there. Okay, I'm going to stop this video now. I've got 2 more to go. I would like you to try the next 2, and I'm actually going to make a 3rd video that just goes through the solutions there. See if you can draw the picture and come up with the solution. Remember, combine your like terms by adding them together, but don't add the terms together if they are different. And that should take care of that. Okay, we will talk to you soon.